In today's video, I am going to teach you how to personalize emails in Constant Contact. Personalizing your emails is one of the simplest ways to make messages feel more human and relevant. In Constant Contact, the most common type of personalization is adding a greeting that automatically pulls in a contact's name from your list. Let us walk through how to add that greeting tag the right way so it looks polished even when information is missing. Start in the email editor, where you are building or updating your email. You will want to add personalization exactly where you want the greeting to appear, usually near the top of the message, right before your opening sentence. Next, click into a text block and place your cursor at the exact spot where the greeting should be inserted. It helps to leave a space after the greeting so your message reads naturally. For example, you might insert a greeting first, and then type your first sentence right after it. Now go up to the toolbar and select Insert, then choose Greeting Tag. This is the tool that adds a personalized greeting that can change for each recipient. You will be prompted to choose your salutation, such as Hi or Dear, and then choose the name format. The most popular option is first name because it tends to sound friendly and direct. If your audience is more formal, you might choose a different format that fits your style. As you make these selections, think about how it will sound when read as a full line, including punctuation. After that, set your fallback text. This is very important. Fallback text is what the email will show if a contact's name is missing from your records. A safe professional option is something general, like there or friend, so your email never ends up with an awkward blank. Good fallback text protects the readability of your message and keeps the greeting consistent across your whole list. Once everything looks correct, click Insert. You will see the greeting tag appear directly in your text block. From here, you can continue writing your email as usual, knowing that each contact will see the most personalized version available based on your contact data. That covers everything you need to know.